Ever wondered how some cat owners keep their homes smelling fresh while still giving their cats a clean, comfortable space? If you enjoy learning practical ways to live harmoniously with your cat, like this video and subscribe for more how-to lessons from Furball Karma. Today, we're diving into the secrets of keeping your house clean with cats and their litter. Believe me, I have tried everything, different types of litter, endless cleaning schedules, and even those deodorizing sprays. After testing more than 10 different litters, I have finally found what truly works best. We all know cats are naturally clean animals, but the right litter and routine can make all the difference. My winning combination is the pet-safe scoop-free self-cleaning cat litter box, paired with Cat's Best Original Clumping Litter. This litter is a game changer because it forms really firm clump balls, which makes it super easy to remove every single trace of waste. If you are interested, you can find links to both of these products in the description below. What I love about this setup is that unlike some other litters, this one leaves absolutely no residue behind. This is key for preventing odors and keeping the area hygienic for both me and my cats. With the self-cleaning litter box, my daily routine is incredibly simple. I just scoop the clumped waste once a day and pop it into a disposable nappy bag. Then, and this is a crucial step, I store the bag in an external wheelie bin with a lid out in the garden until our rubbish collection day. This simple trick ensures that no smells linger inside the house, and it makes the entire cleaning process quick and stress-free. Now, before I had this self-cleaning box, my routine was a bit more involved. I had to clean the litter box multiple times a day, mid-morning, mid-afternoon, and again right before bedtime. This was to make sure no waste stayed in the box for too long. Cats are very sensitive to dirty litter, and leaving waste can really affect their behavior and even their health. They might start urinating in other parts of the house if their box isn't clean enough. The placement of the litter box is also super important. I keep mine in the kitchen on a tiled floor. This makes any accidental spills really easy to spot and clean up. Tiles are so forgiving, and a quick mop between my weekly deep cleans keeps everything looking and smelling fresh. Speaking of which, every week I do a full reset. I empty all the litter, wash the entire litter unit thoroughly, and then refill it with fresh clumping litter. At the same time, I do a full house clean, which includes mopping the entire kitchen floor with Flash Floor Cleaner. I have put a link for that in the description too. This weekly reset is essential. It prevents any odors from building up, keeps the litter invitingly fresh, and gives my cats a space that feels consistently clean. So why does this specific litter work so well? It goes beyond just convenience. Crystal clumping litter like the one I use absorbs moisture incredibly quickly. This rapid absorption reduces the risk of bacteria growth and helps control odors naturally, without heavy perfumes. Plus, studies have shown that keeping litter boxes clean significantly reduces stress in cats, which is vital for their mental and physical well-being. A clean litter box encourages your cat to maintain good bathroom habits and prevents those dreaded accidents elsewhere in your home. I mentioned I tried deodorizing sprays, but honestly, they didn't make much of a difference for me. The real secret is choosing a high-quality clumping litter and sticking to a simple, consistent routine. By following this method, my home stays clean, my cats stay happy, and I can enjoy living alongside my furry friends without constantly worrying about odors or mess. If you want to check out the exact products I use, I have added links in the description for the pet-safe scoop-free self-cleaning litter box, the Cat's Best Original Clumping Litter, the cleaning products I mentioned, and the disposable bags that make waste disposal so much easier. Remember, keeping a home with cats clean isn't just about hygiene. It's about creating a calm, stress-free environment for both you and your cat. Your cat will definitely appreciate a clean, inviting space, and you'll appreciate the peace of mind that comes with a tidy, fresh-smelling home. If this video helped you on your journey to a cleaner, happier home for your cat, please hit that like button and subscribe to Furball Karma. I have plenty more how-to lessons, positive perspectives, and even some funny cat moments available on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Share your own tips or ask any questions you have in the comments below. And we'll see you in the next how-to video from Furball Karma.